Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best UK travel adapters is probably one of the most essential items you'll pack when heading across the pond, ensuring your smartphones, cameras, and other gadgets stay charged and ready to capture every moment without the frustration of incompatible plugs or the fear of damaging your valuable electronics, ultimately making your international journey smoother and more connected from the moment you land. Number 5. Ceptics UK Travel Plug Adapter 2-in-1 Type G, 3-pack. Designed for the modern traveler, it's lightweight and compact, fitting perfectly into your handbag or luggage. Plus, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. You can return it for any reason and we will replace it with a new one. This adapter allows you to charge up to 2 devices simultaneously. Its convenient 2-in-1 input supports standard 2 or 3-pronged flat pin plugs from North America. This 3-pack set ensures you have enough for multiple needs. It's compatible with outlets in numerous countries, including the UK, Ireland, Dubai, Hong Kong, and many more. This ensures you stay connected wherever your adventures take you. It works in the United Kingdom, Bahrain, Belize, Botswana, Brunei, Cyprus, Dominica, England, Ghana, Gibraltar, Grenada, Iraq, Scotland, Qatar, and United Arab Emirates. Crafted from quality materials, it's small yet powerful, with a max load rating of 10A250V. Rest assured, it's fully grounded for safe and reliable operation. This Type G adapter is made with care. Please remember, this is not a voltage converter, it will not change voltage from 220V to 110V or vice versa. It's designed for dual voltage products like cell phones, laptops, battery chargers, tablets, and other dual voltage electronics such as CPAP machines. What we like. This adapter offers dual inputs, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for minimalists. If you're looking for a simple, reliable, and cost-effective solution for basic charging needs in the UK, this 3-pack is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. TESSAN UK Travel Adapter with USB-C PD. Traveling to the UK or other Type G regions? This adapter is your perfect companion. It works seamlessly in Ireland, Dubai, England, Scotland, and many more destinations. With 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including a powerful USB-C PD, it allows you to charge up to 7 devices simultaneously. No more waiting for an available socket. Its 20W USB-C PD port ensures your phone and other compatible gadgets charge rapidly. Plus, 2 additional USB-A ports cater to all your other charging needs. Designed for convenience, it's lightweight and compact, easily fitting into your luggage or briefcase. It's also surge-free and cord-free, making it ideal for cruise ships. Please remember, this is not a voltage converter. Ensure your devices, like hair dryers or straighteners, support dual voltage, 100V, 250V, before use. Make your international trips hassle-free with this reliable power solution. It ensures all your electronics stay powered throughout your journey. What we like. This adapter is a true power hub, offering 4 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, including a 20W USB-C PD. It allows you to charge up to 7 devices at once, including fast-charging modern smartphones. If you travel with many gadgets and need a single, powerful charging station, this is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted regarding UK converters and adapters for travel. Number 3. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Voltage Converter. Planning an international trip. This essential device ensures your US electronics work seamlessly overseas. It converts foreign voltage to safely power your gadgets. With multiple USB ports and AC sockets, it can charge up to 7 devices at once. Keep your phones, tablets, and other essentials ready for adventure. It's perfect for your curling iron, laptop, camera, and more, up to 250 watts. Please note, it's not designed for high-wattage heating appliances like hair dryers or coffee makers. Covering over 150 countries, including popular destinations like Europe, Australia, and Japan, it's your ultimate travel companion. Simply plug it in and enjoy uninterrupted power. Built with comprehensive protection against overloads and short circuits, it keeps your devices safe. An indicator light and automatic power cutoff provide extra peace of mind. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust design and an 18-month warranty. This ensures you have reliable power wherever your travels take you. What we like. Unlike simple adapters, this device features a built-in voltage converter, stepping down 220V to 110V for your US electronics. It supports up to 7 devices simultaneously with its AC outlets and USB ports. If you have 110V only US appliances like curling irons or shavers and travel globally, this is your go-to. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. No positive reviews found in the provided source. Number 2. Ceptics 2000W Travel Voltage Converter. Introducing the Ceptics Travel Voltage Converter, your ultimate travel companion. This patented technology allows you to safely use your non-electronic hair dryer and other styling tools in 220V countries, converting the voltage down to 110V. With this converter, you can charge up to 6 devices at once. It features dedicated ports for high-power items like hair dryers, plus multiple USB-A and a QC 3.0 USB-C for faster charging of your phones, tablets, and other gadgets. Thanks to SWAT-A-Point technology, it offers worldwide compatibility. This device supports various plug types, making it suitable for use in Europe, Asia, Africa, and many other regions across the globe. Designed for travelers, it's compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your luggage. It also comes with a convenient 5-foot cable and a 24-month warranty for peace of mind. Your safety is paramount, which is why it includes multiple protection features. A silent fan prevents overheating, along with surge, overcurrent, and short-circuit protection to keep your devices safe. Please note, this converter is designed for non-electronic hair dryers like Revlon or Conair, but not Dyson or other electronic models. Always check your hairdryer's compatibility to ensure safe and proper operation. What we like. This powerful converter is specifically designed for high-wattage non-electronic appliances like hair dryers, offering up to 2000W conversion. It also provides multiple outlets and USB ports for charging up to 6 devices. If you absolutely need to bring your high-power hair dryer or other specific 110V appliances overseas, this robust converter is built for you. What people say. This adapter is very compact and lightweight, making it ideal for travel without adding bulk to your luggage. It features multiple outlets, allowing you to charge several devices simultaneously, which is highly convenient for travelers. The robust construction ensures durability and reliable performance throughout your trip. Number 1. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing your ultimate travel companion. This compact adapter kit ensures your devices stay charged, no matter where your adventures take you. It's designed for seamless global use. It features 2 USA outlets, a USB-A port, and 2 USB-C ports, including a powerful 35W PD USB-C. This allows you to charge multiple devices simultaneously, from laptops to phones and cameras. With 6 interchangeable adapters, it covers major regions like Europe, UK, China, Australia, and Japan. This ensures you're prepared for nearly any outlet type around the world. Your valuable electronics are safe with its built-in surge protection. It guards against unexpected voltage spikes and even includes an LED indicator for current voltage. Designed by travelers for travelers, it's ultra-compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your bag. A convenient travel pouch is also included, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Please note, it's compatible with 100-240V AC electronics but not a voltage converter. It also comes with a 2-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This universal kit comes with multiple interchangeable plugs, making it compatible in most countries worldwide. It features a powerful 35W USB-C PD port for rapid charging of laptops and phones, plus surge protection for your valuable electronics. If you're a frequent international traveler needing a versatile, fast charging, and protected solution for all your modern devices, this kit is perfect. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get the top points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.